Okay, a lot of people had trouble on this on the quiz, and so I want to make sure that we're kind of clear on the binomial or trinomial. So we've got this one going through, and so that's going to look like x times x squared minus 2x plus 9. I'm just rewriting the trinomial and showing myself so I remember to do that. I'm also going to write down the second one because I don't want to forget to do that one after I get done with that long step. It's 2x plus 9, right? All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and do the work on it. So x times x is going to give me x cubed because I'm multiplying, so I add exponents. I could also expand it out if I wanted and write like x times x times x, which would give me x cubed either way. Then minus 2 times x, which is x squared, right? And then plus 9x, right? That's the first part of the thing. So now I've got a second one, and I'm going to rewrite that whole thing down here now. If you expanded, it's a good thing to rewrite all your steps as you go through. Minus 2x squared plus 9x, right? And let's go back to the other one now. And so now I've got 5 times x squared. It's going to give me 5x squared. I could expand if I need to. Minus 2 times 5 times x, right? And I know that 2 times 5 is 10x, right? And then plus 9 times 5, which again, 9 times 5 is 45. And you can use your multiplication chart or whatever. So now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite all those down here where I can see them a little better. So I ended up with a positive 5x squared. I ended up with a negative 10x. And then with a positive 45. And that was what I got. Okay, at this point I need to look at combining like terms. I see a cubed here, and I'm going to look, and is anything else cubed? Nope, nothing else is cubed. So that means I'm just going to rewrite my x cubed because there's nothing to combine with it. And then I see, okay, there's a square here. Is anything else squared? Look up. There's another one. Anything else? Nope, that looks like that's it. So I'm combining a negative 2x squared with a 5x. Now I'm not multiplying, I'm adding or subtracting. So remember, the exponents and base are staying the same, so I'm going to end up with x squared, whatever I end up doing with the constants in front. Positive 5, negative 2 means I end up with a positive 3. So positive 3x squared. That one's done. Now I'm going to look for a x, because I've done thirds, now the second power, now single exponent there. And there's the 2 that I have. So it's a negative 10x and a positive 9x. So again, the base stays x because I'm adding, subtracting. And I've got a negative 10 and I've got a positive 9, so I end up with a negative x. I could write the 1. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. And then at that point, I just have a constant, the 45, and so I can just write that in. And that's my answer in order from largest exponent to smallest. There you go.